Right, so here we go. We have Abbott Laboratories here stock, and the stock is on its way down. Okay, once it broke this wedge-like formation, all right, we expect it to go to 85, possibly to the 80s. They are trying to develop a vaccine. If they can do that, then it will propel the stock higher. But as of now, there is nothing, no positive news to propel the stock higher. So if you want to buy it and hold longer, I want to say you want to wait, because it has broken through the support here, it has broken through the moving average here, and so the 200 here, and so we expect it to just drift a little bit lower. Probably will come around the 80 level, probably 75, and then it will then probably turn around, depending on the fact that if they can produce a vaccine. But for now, I won't buy it. I'll wait for this thing to drop lower until I even look into it to see if I want to buy it. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.